Coming right there. Don, did you give it a second chance?
No.
Just leave it for now. It's risky. No, not risky, but this is news manipulation. So.
It's too much. What the?
So news manipulation.
Just stay away from it. There's no point.
Baran, did you enter too?
No.
Right.
Like you can't keep even your eye on the candle.
I was about to enter. And Naran said, shit. And
When?
you know, when you entered, because as soon as you entered, it flipped back, right? When you entered
Yeah.
on a 30-minute, the first trade, right?
Yeah.
Even if a 5-minute closes above and but no. Let's see.
I think if it comes down and breaks that area, which you guys, this area, it's gonna fall hard because it has clean traffic.
Yeah, but the
It
news
will
is
eventually.
then because of the news, it should go down, right?
Yes, because news is good for US dollar, right?
US dollar, yeah. So it will
Yeah.
go up now. For now.
Yeah, for now, just for the
And later in the
trigger.
day. Yeah. That's the opposite.
Alright, just so you guys know, we're on YouTube now.
Wow.
Yeah, it's about to break the daily. Once it breaks the daily, you're gonna enter, it's gonna come down. Oh shit.
I'm not touching it, honestly.
I entered.
Okay, good. It should fly now. Wow. Got 15 pips by now.
23.
Good.
Your rate's gonna go up.
I think we'll secure half
What you took?
on the daily. Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I'm out of it, all of it.
Almost tapped with a, not really tapped. It should go a little bit more, like till 1825, 500.
Yeah.
Then you must have a very small spread.
Who?
Spread is too big.
You, because I didn't see 23.
Yeah, my spread's like 1 pip.
Yeah, I entered probably here somewhere.
Oh.
I got the spread. So I closed it on 14 and then 9. When you were saying 23, I was like, shit, where did he enter? Where did you enter? Probably before it broke.
Like
Probably
right
somewhere
when it was
here.
about to break.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right?
Almost hit the TP.
Yeah, everything closed.
Good.
Did you take it, Mr. Farhan?
No, I didn't.
Shit.
And the thing is, it
And
tapped below
if
on the
you
30 minute.
sorry, Nuran, can you go to the 5 minute? Like this was one thing I was looking at, because it was closing above these candles almost here,
Yeah.
and then when it was breaking it, so this was another entry. Like I just wanted to do a paper trade on that. Like if a candle closes above this area,
Mm-hmm.
a 5 minute candle, and then breaks it. So yeah, but
Yeah,
yeah, the other entry was like,
you should have entered, Farhan, because you see, when the news came, it went up, it broke it, then it came down,
yeah,
and then this was a very nice heavy candle.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
Oh, probably it's gonna come back.
Sean, did you take the trade? Sean is there.
I don't know, he is there, but he's not talking.
Okay.
He didn't. If he did, he'll be like, yes, I did.
Yeah, he would have been, I'm out, guys.
Yeah.
Or do
We just hear him saying, "I'm out."
Yeah.
and you didn't take it, right?
Man, I took my trades in the morning.
Oh, discipline.
Yeah, not discipline, but yeah,
Not discipline.
the thing it was doing. I mean, yeah.
It was a risky one. Let me tell you this, because usually
The daily one was it was good, but it was very fast. I mean, I
Yeah.
couldn't get a chance. I would have entered. I had my alert set over there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was too quick.
That was too quick. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes the candles don't give you decision to think. Just gotta execute.
To be honest, I was thinking probably you'll give it a second chance when it comes here.
No, it's too dangerous. Like Mr. Farhan said, unless we get a candle to close up in that area.
The 5 minute did close outside that area. But
Yeah,
again,
exactly.
It's 5 minutes. Yeah.
Sorry, Umar, but you said like 5 minutes didn't close?
No,
It
it did.
closed.
Yeah, it did. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Whoever was holding. Sorry. Mr. Spectacular, today we have to buy. There's no we, you're buying. Good morning, gang. Good morning, Mr. Frank. I got 3 good trades on gold and GJ a few minutes ago. I'm gonna just watch with you guys today. Yeah, I think you saw the trade we took. Pretty much, maybe execute one more time, like another small trade. But overall, I'm up for the day 0.5%. So we'll see, either try to look for another opportunity or wait. But yeah, GG's been moving nice.
So we are not trading it.
Yeah.
When we will start trading, it will range.
Exactly. But look at this, been going up for weeks. Look at that N1s. 1, 2, 3. So looking at this weekly, came down, taps had major support, and it's about to break the previous daily, the weekly, which is gonna be crazy.
Hey, expert, I got one question.
Sorry, what's that?
It's Abdul. Morning.
Good morning, Mr.
question.
Abdul. Yes.
All right. So I've been hearing you folks and you said there's a news coming in the market which gonna give the push to US dollar,
Yeah.
and maybe the gold will drop, right?
Yeah.
And then I see you all been waiting for that spot, when it will break the weekly zone, could be
Yeah.
and even it went to 25, right? 25, 29 something. So just silly question could be, so there was there was a chance for you folks to take some position on that sort of and come into the sell.
Coming to the sell on gold?
Because that
Well, I don't
that was
understand the question.
okay, let me repeat.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying, because the news says the gold will drop, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and then it got the push and it hit the 1825.29, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there was a golden spot for somebody who wanna come and if he knew this there is a news and the gold drop. So don't you think that was because it break the weekly? Uh, yeah, even it when I see that the chart, it was on 5th Jan, it hit somewhere close to that spot, right? So
Like you mean when the 30 minutes candle like closed
yeah,
bearish
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and the news came out like
No, because you folks knew that there is a news coming, right?
yes.
Okay, and so what do you think? There was a
Okay,
chance to
basically,
take the position for the
no,
sell?
yeah, but the thing is, basically, I'll tell you, Abdul. I mean, then if somebody has to put their
It
opinion,
could be silly question.
yeah,
You
no.
know,
The thing
you know.
is, usually there is a manipulation in the market, right? Gold usually moves opposite, and we call it a liquidity grab. So probably what it was doing was it was going up, doing the liquidity grab to come down later on. But when the news come, it takes some time to adjust, and we would have not entered buys if it wouldn't have broken this one. For sells, we would have entered if it would have broken the 1814 area, because then we knew it was a clean traffic. Otherwise it was rejections all over, right? So we usually wait for a certain spot to enter for buys or sells. We try to avoid the range,
Yeah.
which is like this.
You mean
Avoid.
1840?
1814. If it would have come down, so we knew it's coming down now,
Yeah.
right? Because when it's going up, let's say 18, if you say why didn't we enter on 1825 on sells, we don't
Mhm.
know that if this is a break or it's gonna go further,
Yeah.
right? So we don't have a confirmation, because let's take it this way: if the market is going up, why do you want to come in sells? Why don't you want to put yourself in a position and go with the trend? You know what I mean? So we try to avoid going against the trend.
Yeah, because gold is so volatile. Like it could whip your position like 100 points in negative in no time if you take it anywhere in the range. So that's why we have to put ourselves in the best position to win. So because here we have like a low, if it broken the low, it's usually gonna make a newer low. And because we have a clean traffic here, it will most likely go down easier than being too many blocks of rejections.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Everyone, that was Mr. Abdul. He just joined the team. People on YouTube, so welcome.
Yeah. And I like Abdul's question. It just refreshes what we
Yeah,
plan to
yeah,
do, right?
yeah. Do that every day.
Yeah. Keep asking questions.
Yeah, keep asking us. That's good. It's gonna wake up everybody.
And yeah, it's also good for the people on YouTube as well, because they probably are then some people who are new and they're wondering what's happening, right?
Facts. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'll head off.
Take
Thank
care,
you.
Mr. Ali. Did you take this?
Take care.
You had
Yeah,
a
yeah, I
winning. Okay, trade.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Oh, yeah. On the daily. Yeah, I got it. On the
Perfect.
daily. Right. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.
Very
Take
much.
care, Sally.
Okay. Bye.
Mr. Frank, I got in like around 8:30. Oh, nice. It's kind of risky. It's when the news happened. Welcome to the gang, bro. Hey.
Abdul, that was for you.
Yeah.
Somebody said welcome to the gang from the chats.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I guess we'll just give it till maybe 9:30. See what it's gonna
Yeah.
do. How the news gonna absorb the markets.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Farhan.
Okay.
So yesterday we had
So
20,000 cases.
so Noran, it's closing almost on the resistance of 4 hour. The 4 hour came down.
Yeah.
It's almost there on the resistance. This one here, yes. Let's see how it closes. Because it will go down eventually, but later in the day.
Yeah.
And put your sell, what do you call it, sell stop? Below 1814, 700.
So I don't know, Mr. Farhan. Like, how many times have you done it? Putting sell
Never.
stops. So
You do it. I know you do it over the night. Try over the day.
so what I do, like, yeah, like I would put a sell stop here, and I would just put like 10 pips
Oh, okay.
exactly.
10 pips. Okay,
Take
okay,
profit.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Because
haven't tried it ever.
because I have like I tried it many times, right? And I usually like have a really long like TP, like very far away. So and it usually goes halfway and then it goes the other way and stops me out.
Okay.
So but when I put it like 10 pips, it's like
It works.
matter of minutes. Yeah.
And you and mostly like you go with very small lot size.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Until like you see the success rate of your trades, like out of 10, how many do you get right? And then you slowly start to like increase it. Like I went from 0.05 to 0.25.
Okay, good.
Big rejection on a 30-minute.
Yeah, like so far the market like just broken all these wicks. New buyers got in to the market. This resistance to the left has about 13 seconds to close. If it closes below, that's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, close just below. So Mr. Farhan, one thing I'll be looking at is like later if this gonna maybe reject close like a doji at like 1, but here it's different. It's different than
Yeah,
this.
that's fine. Yeah. Explain me here because I'm looking at this.
Okay, so for example, if this closed like doji, right, and then
Okay.
the next 4 hour comes down breaking like this low and this low, that means that this 4 hour is coming down to break the support.
Yeah.
So if it does, it's going down.
Yes. And it's a clean traffic to the left.
Yeah.
Yes. That is something I will try today.
Yeah.
But
But-
it depends what time it does it, right? So probably if it does it around
Yes.
11 or 12 o'clock, so it might just break and then just go back in.
Yeah. Also, I noticed like the perfect like sell stops and the buy stops it's not based on like the 4 hour. Like it could work if you do it on the 4 hour.
Mhm.
You could get 10 pips, but most of my success has
daily.
been on the daily
Yes.
or like a weekly.
I noticed that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this will be breaking its own daily if it goes down.
This right here, right? 14?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so you should get 10 pips.
Even like the only reason I'm saying is because of the news. Because it travels in the opposite direction at that time, and later in the day, like according to the news, it should go down, right?
Yeah. If
So-
it comes down to it later
Yeah.
in the day, then means it is trying to go past the support.
Yes.
I got in with a small sell at 1824. Closed at 1820. It may play around for a while. He took a sell 1824. Oh shit, from there.
Hope he didn't listen to me actually.
Yeah, man. That was kind of risky, Mr. Forex Frank.
But
Yeah.
but the other question, like if somebody would put this cell there, like
Yeah.
you know,
Sell
it's
stock.
that, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So and the trend is because the news is there. There's a strong chance the market gonna go down, right? And you are taking sell, not buy, right?
Yeah.
So is it still dangerous, or is it still very aggressive move?
Yeah, because gold is so unpredictable. Like,
Because yeah, it could be that it.
But you're not
just-
taking buy, right? You're taking sell, and you
Yeah, but you see the if you would have seen the previous candle, right? The way
Yeah.
it was moving up, the chances were it would have just keep going what it was doing, just keep moving up, because this is gold, right? Gold.
sure.
'cause
But
it
your
has-
position wouldn't be picked, right?
What do you mean?
Because you have put their position for sell on
Yeah.
24
18
or
14.
25 20 yeah 20 18 25, right, for example.
Oh, he's talking
Yeah.
about Forex Frank. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so
it-
he took a sell from the resistance right
Yeah.
here, 1825.
That's what I'm talking. So if somebody would take pick up that position, or set the, I don't know, the indicator, whatever, to pick up my position for sell, and
Mhm.
definitely turn back, right?
Yeah, but that's the thing. It turned back today, but with gold, that's what Noran is saying, that you don't know where it's gonna return from. Because the thing is, when you get into it, when you try to get into a trade, or when you plan to get into a trade, you at the same time you think about your exit strategy too. That where you're gonna come out if it goes against you, right?
Yeah.
So let's
Sure.
let's say if you enter here, thinking that it's gonna come down, but it keeps going up. So where do you want to keep your stop loss? Your stop loss, you
Could
don't
be
have any,
after 10 pip, or
that's so see, this is now, so you never know. You have to keep it with the next resistance. The next resistance is probably here,
Yeah.
which is 70 pips, right? So you cannot just say 10 pips or 12 pips, because you cannot have a random number. It has to
Sure.
align with another candle or a previous rejection zone where it got rejected from, right?
fair
And
enough.
that is, again, you're putting it here anticipating that it's going to come down, but we don't know. We don't have a single candle that has closed bearish that gives you an indication that yeah, the trend is towards the sells. Like, let's say, I'm just giving an example.
Sure.
Assume there was a candle that went all the way up, then another candle came down, closed here bearish. You could have just entered, if you really wanted to enter here. At least you have one candle of confirmation that okay, the trend has changed on like a 30-minute. So because we are here to pick 15-20 pips, right? So
Sure.
we try to put ourselves in the best possible position so that it's a win trade, because you do get trades, so it's always better to go with the trend, not against the trend, because it was going up, and if you would have anticipated coming down, it's a risky move to do.
Wow, Omar,
Gotcha.
this killed it.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Too much information.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm out. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Okay, thank
Enjoy your
you.
day. Thank you for coming,
Yes.
Mr. Abdul. See you
Cheers.
tomorrow. Cheers.
Surely.
Yes, bye bye.
All right, let's see. 4-hour break is strong as well. It's sometimes I do with gold. See, if Mr. Forex Frank, what you did, we just confused one of our newest member. Especially with gold-based news. Gold makes a big move. When gold makes a big move, it usually retraces, pull back. That's why I jump in on many times. Yeah, it's kind of risky. But if you have done it before, so it's okay.
I mean, let's say with Forest Franks, he's been in the market for long, and he knows where to enter, and he knows it pulls back, and then
Yeah,
he would probably
knows,
have
yeah.
exit strategy, so it's okay. But for somebody who's new and that's all he wants to do, then it's very dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous. So here we see the 30 closed above, indicating it should continue moving up. Mr. Farhan,
GU will drop now.
oh, you're looking
I
at
was
G?
looking at G. Yeah.
GU.
GU.
Oh, what the hell? I don't even have it.
I don't know. It just came on my phone.
Oh man.
Go
Have to
see 15 minutes.
Omar
Yeah, it
remembers
will
the
drop.
spare.
Yeah. So as soon it will break the previous 15. It has moved a lot with the news.
Yeah, move too much. How
Has
many
to correct
pips is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's only 34 pips.
Only.
Only.
If
With
this
the
was on
gold, now you-
gold, if this was on gold, would have been like 300.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't trade GU or GJ anymore.
Like with on gold, that candle moved like 60-70 pips.
Just one this one, right? The 30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the news.
Yeah, 70 pips.
So Naran, one question. Can you go to 30, please? Okay. If a candle closes below this area, okay. What about this? Will you consider this part?
So if it closed there,
Yeah. For example, one is closing here, like
Okay.
this.
So like let's say if the 30 is closing, and it's closing like
Yes.
nicely, meaning like the body is coming out, right?
Yes. Hmm.
And then we get the next 30 to come up, tap at the resistance,
Okay.
and then I'll probably enter either at the break of the 30 or either here.
Here, break.
Like
of this.
this is the best, like
Yeah, this one.
the wicks, you know.
Okay. And you won't consider too much about this area. Won't be concerned about this area.
That's the same thing. Wait, let me see.
It was just confusing me.
I just put this at the 4-hour right here. No,
Yeah.
I'll do it at the bearish of the
Okay.
4-hour candle. So it's gonna be this break here.
Okay.
Till there, that's probably like, what is this? About almost like 8 pips.
Mhm.
So that should be like, if anything, your target.
Mhm.
But if you want to be more safer, yeah, I guess you could take it right here at 1813. But this here is the support, the rejection that it made.
Yeah.
That is true. Sorry guys, didn't mean to confuse them. That's okay. It's all good. But for example, if I get like a 1 hour to close here, I don't know, like I feel like we gotta practice more in executing candles to close.
Wait for the candle to close.
Like just close, enter. We
Okay.
we always think of like
The break.
the break and some pullback, right?
Yeah, and because to be honest, the break was always like the close out in our direction has always been the foundation of our learning, right? So we should keep practicing that.
Exactly.
And we saw it in the last some session too, right? If you remember,
Yeah.
I think it was me and you watching.
Yeah.
Because that gives you like a small stop loss as well.
Yeah.
And you also have the chance to come out, because what happens is if you enter on the breaks, if it pulls back, it's very hard for it to come back to where we entered. You know what I mean?
That's true. Yeah.
So once the
Like I just won't be surprised if I see gold later on in the day just coming down here, falling, because that's what it is. It goes up, grabs liquidity, people get in. It's like, oh, a new high made for the day.
it might just go once for a retest near the 23 area where the daily wick was.
23. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it might just go till there just to retest it or try to do the wick, because he usually tries to retest that area once, and that would be all, and then after that it will probably start falling.
Yeah. Did anyone here know off his message?
Yes, I did.
What did he say?
He's out and he's busy and busy. That's what he said. And he wished us all the best and all that. We said he's not going to trade in January. Remember that?
He's not gonna trade this whole year.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Like, I haven't like noticed that like every day I come here is like I learn something. There's not one day where I never like I came and I didn't learn anything.
Yeah.
$15 more minutes and we'll see how the market is gonna absorb the news. Well, since we have about like 12 minutes, I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Sure.
Where did everybody go?
Right here.
Half the team left.
Who?
It was like
Who
6
left?
people. 2 people left.
Ali and Abdullah, I think.
Oh. Oh, that's it? I thought, okay. Everyone's still here then. I was wondering why it was quiet. Yeah. Same. I came was like dead. What I'm happy about so far is that no internet issues. Let's not jinx it. Mr. Omar,
Sir.
have you ever tried a cheese paratha?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's good, yeah. Where did you try it?
I didn't try it. I've been watching like this YouTuber that does like vlogs. He goes like to many countries. You've probably seen
I
it.
know. I think he's Australian, right?
Oh yeah, Luke?
Luke, right?
Yeah, Luke, yeah.
He went to Islamabad, and there was one shop he kept going back there again and again,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, those people are funny, yeah.
Yeah, those looked really yummy.
Yeah, it looks sick. They also make it with like Nutella and everything.
Yeah, and he is so excited to eat those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there was other people too, like that goes to that spot. Like other YouTubers.
Yeah.
Yeah, after that I want to try it. It looks nice, tastes nice.
It looks. Yeah. It does. It sure does.
Mr. Abdul makes it?
He can make it. If you ask him, he will make it for sure.
Okay.
The thing is, all you have to do is ask. And if you really want him to make, you can say, can you make it? And I'll say, well, I don't think so. And then he'll be like,
It's done, that's it. I'm making it.
I'm making it.
But originally it's not supposed to come with cheese, I think, right?
Paratha?
Yeah.
No, it's
Just bread.
just by itself. Yeah, just by itself. Oily bread, basically.
Yeah. But yeah, Logan is in Iraq right now, I think.
Yeah. That's right. I think I saw him going through some buses and traveling around.
And he's
Yes.
like 22, I think, or 21. Crazy.
Yeah. So many so many YouTubers are going through Asia and Southeast Asia these days.
It's nice over there.
Yeah.
People are nice. So I don't blame them. Like versus going to like the South Caribbeans.
Yeah.
The only place that looks bad in the Middle East is Egypt.
Yeah.
They're all crooks, bro. Like, they're all thieves. They're all trying to make money off you. But I'm not saying all Egyptians like that, but
Yeah. There's a Kuwaiti influencer. Did you hear about that?
Kuwaiti influencer. No, I
No.
didn't.
She spoke quite ill about the Egyptian people.
Oh shit, you have to send me that video.
Yeah. And she was brutal.
I don't blame her.
Yeah. Once you finish the stream, let me know. I'll
Okay.
just.
Go and hang out with the Talibans. Yes. Go and see ISIS.
Just look at this current 30-minute candle, what it's doing, right? So this is something I'll talk about later on. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, so you see like this candle closed.
Yeah.
So say we take a buy, for example.
Yeah, but yeah. So just look at the current 30-minute candle. Okay, what's it doing right now? The one who's coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just look at it, and I'm gonna talk about it later.
Okay.
Something that I've learned from somewhere.
It's gonna fill the wick.
Yeah. Open the 15-minute and you.
I mean, eventually it's gonna have to come to the body at least.
Yeah. So. All right, people on YouTube.
Yeah, like what the hell is this? It didn't even react. Where's the news?
So was that your closing line? You asked us one day, right? When you were at Abdul's house.
What was the closing line? Alright, people on YouTube?
Yeah. You remember you asked us before you were leaving there, what's my closing line?
I don't remember.
Yeah. You asked.
Probably.
Man, it was me who had asked him. That
Yeah,
was
yeah.
me Not remembering.
Yeah, nobody remembers, but I know that there was a conversation that happened. I remember the conversation happened, right? So was it the same line, Chan?
Yeah, that was the same thing. Yeah.
Yes, which I couldn't remember that time.
Yeah, this thing is not moving. Yeah, so people on YouTube, this is it for today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, 8:30. And we'll get a nice trade for sure. Goodbye, Forex Frank.